This is multiplication by 2 digit. 84 multiplied by 56. Now no need to take 56 table as it is not possible. So what to do? I am telling you, just write here 84 and here 56. Now what to do? First take table of 6, then take table of 5. 6 fours are 24. Here you make circle and write 2. Now 6 eights are 48, 49 and 50. Now what you have to do? Now take the number in the tens place. Now rub this and make it here once again one circle. So here put it here cross or 0 in the ones place. As we are taking number in the tens place, so we have to put cross or circle in the number of ones place. Now we have 5 fours are 20. So here we have carry over 2. 5 eights are 40 and 42. So just add the number 4, 0, 5 plus 2, 7 and 4. So the answer is 4704. This is the way. First you take the number in the ones place, then you take the numbers in the tens place and take care of this one. How we have to add, carry over the number and how we have to borrow the number in subtraction like that. We have to take this number. This you have to make circle and take care of this carry over. Here we have 7968 large number. We have to multiply by 3-digit number, that is 562. So you all know the table of 2, table of 6, table of 5. So it is really very easy. Now no need to put comma here. Now remove the comma and write simple number here. Now do it 562. Now take table of 2. 2 6 are 16, carry 1. So 2 6 are 12 and 1 13, carry 1. 2 9s are 18 and 1 19, carry 1. 2 7s are 14 and 1 15. Now what to do? Put 0 or comma number in the ones place, as we have to take number in the tens place. So 6 8s are, now remove the numbers here. Remove it and then make 3 more circles here. That is like that. We have to take care of carryover digits. So 6 8s are 48. So what to do? 4. 6 6 are 36 and 4 40. So take it here 4. 6 9s are 54 and 4 58. Keep it here 5. So 6 7s are 42 and 5 47. So now what to do? We will go to the digit in the hundreds place. Now remove this. Now put it here 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros? As we have done multiplication by 2, the number in the ones place. We have done multiplication by 6, the numbers in the tens place. Now we have to take number 5, the number in the hundreds place. So we have to put 2 zeros here. Now 5 8s are 40 again, 0. Carry over 4. So 5 6 are 30 and 4, 34. Again carry over 3. 5 9s are 45 and 3 48. Again carry over 4. 5 7s are 35 and 4 39. So now very important part is this, that when you at the end when you are going to add the number, revise the number first. You have to revise it once again. This is the main rule of multiplication. Then you do it. Now 2 6 are 16, carry 1. 2 6 are 12 and 1 13, carry 1. 2 9s are 18 and 1 19, carry 1. 2 7s are 14. Now this is right. This is right. Now I am taking next number. 6 8s are 48. We have to put 0 here. We have to put 0 as we are taking the digit in the tens place. So 6 8s are 48, carry 4. 6 6 are 36 and 4 40. So here carry over 4. 6 9s are 54 and 4 58. We have here 5. So 6 7s are 42 and 5 47. It means that this is right. Now you take the number in the tens place. Tens place we have 5, and hundreds place. So we have to put 2 zeros. Now 5 eights are 40. Again we have 0. Now carry over 4. Now 5 6 are 36 and 4. 5 eights are 40. 0 carry 4. 5 6 are 30 and 4 34. Now carry over 3. 5 9 are 45 and 3 48. Yes, we are right. Here we have 4. 5 7 are 35. Yes. Now this is the main rule of multiplication. If you are doing long digit multiplication, you have to revise the number. Now you add the number. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1. Carry over 1. Now keep it in your mind. We have no place to put it here, carry over. Here we have place. Now keep it in your mind. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 4, we have 18. Carry over 1. So now 1 plus 1, 2 and 7, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Carry 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5. Now count after 5 till 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry over 1. So the answer is this one. Answer is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Answer is 44 lakh, 78,000, 16. This is the answer. It takes an hour for a bike manufacturing company to assemble 215 bikes. How many bikes can the company assemble in 56 hours? An hour means 1 hour. So whenever anything they are telling about 1 and demanding about more, that is multiplication. So here bike manufacturing company assemble 215 bikes in 1 hour. So they are saying that how many bikes assemble in 56 hours. So the solution is like that. Solution: company assemble bikes in 1 hour. We have to write company assemble bikes in 1 hour. How many bikes? 215 bikes. 215 bikes. So what we have to take out? How many bikes in 56 hours? Company assemble bikes in 56 hours is equal to 215 multiplied by 56. 215 multiplied by 56. So 6 5s are 30, carry over 3. 6 1s are 6 and 3, 9. 6 2s are 12. We have to put 0 here. 5 5s are 25, carry over 2. 5 1s are 5 and 2 7. 5 2s are 10. So we have to add this. 0, 9 plus 5 14, carry 1. 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10 0. Then 2, then 1. So 1 2 0 4 0. What is the answer? Answer is always in the question. How many bikes can be company assemble in 56 hours? Company assemble 1,02,000 and company assemble ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So what? 12,040 bikes in 56 hours. So we have to take the number. Whenever we are taking any number, we have to count from this side. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So company assemble 12,040 bikes in 56 hours.